friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. What I'm going to show you guys is a special treat for your kids. Now I have a little one who refuses to drink milk. He's lactose intolerant, but he can have yogurt. So this is a good source of dairy. So a way of getting him to eat more yogurt and also not make a huge mess of it is to make it in these little popsicles. Now I would suggest these ones if you have little kids, or if you're making it for bigger kids or adults, you can use the regular size popsicle molds. And as you inevitably lose or break these little things, you can use regular popsicle sticks. I happen to only have medium sized ones, so we're going to use those today. So what I'm going to be doing is just filling these up with yogurt and then putting the popsicle sticks in. Super easy, super yummy. Let's go.